Welsh Corgi is often described as being a most agreeable and small house breeds that you can bring home. These pups are athletic, strong, and lively. Their herding instincts are strong, yet also desire for human companionship. They are also affectionate without being overly needy in their requests and having a snuggle. There are also traits as applied to the Cottingham Welsh Corgi. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a sensitive dog with a high intelligence levels. They also love play, responds well, training to be wanting for learn more activities. These pups are fearless in their herding abilities, moving cattle while being vigilant of the watching active. You'll be a big dog bark with the breed through the animal. List the pros of corgis. Corgis a lot. The corgi loves friends, components, comes home. They are dogs that eager to please humans with the means of you're going to have right. They also love going to walks, so the neighbors they actually will enjoy. You will wanting to go for a walk, taking walks in the wood, and exploring the backyard with your company. This breed is especially smart. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi and the Cottingham Welsh Corgi are two smartest breeds of the dogs that you will ever get to meet. The part of their herding instincts bred to be overly aged. If you are small, facing off against a large, they are developed to be smart and avoiding heavy hooves. They are also lessons and they are frequent and they also love robust food drive and their traits away being obedient instructions. Corgis are lovers, be sociable dogs who love snuggles, and companionship for corgis is love. They want to be social with them, but the breed tend to be well with other dogs in their home. Their herding instincts will chase to them, so you expect to see the races around the house with energy high. If you have a cat at your home with this game happening frequently, the Pembroke Corgi loves to chase all other dogs off leash because of its advantage. You also need to be prepared with a new friend following around the house. They love to be shadows, curious, and if any treats. Their unique looks make this breed popular with most everyone. The people kick because of its shape like heart with the good shape. It's phenomenon that even has its own hashtag on Instagram. Since its tail is virtually non-existent, the happy pup is also going for a full wiggle body. It's one of the most unique and endearing ways that will make this breed love appreciate of your intention when you can actually return the favor. These dogs are actually loyal that you can bring home at times. They have a personality of a German Shepherd. You'll see the corgi owner sometimes referring to is a miniature because of its physical appearance. It looks like a German Shepherd. Their muzzle, coat, and every similarity looks like a large herding in the herding group. Even the personality of the Pembroke Welsh Corgi is even bigger than to the bigger dog. Since these are anyone thought having a German Shepherd will be fine. What a corgi would allegedly compromise. This breed is long-lived. When you take care of the corgi, apparently, when you can see a friend who can live excessive for 15 years, even when you look at the average of the lifespan of or Cottingham Welsh Corgi, you have a companionship for 12 to 14 years. You will want your puppy to have so much love because of this. Learn to be quick there and can be discourageous if you are willing to be consistent but is not, then its patience will actually offer them lifetimes. The list of cons of a corgi. Corgis have a daily stimulation to thrive. Corgis don't like to be left alone for a very long time. It's a definition of a length of going different ways of a human. If you are unattended for a couple of hours, they'll quickly turn into destruction. Full time with a corgi, Pembroke Corgi, means the puppy will love you. It will destroy the furniture, shoes, and lanolines. If your schedule will unpredictable, then its breed will have more independent spirits. You will want the corgi to have high quality dog food that will dash to tract off. That what will mean going to invest on high quality dog food for your new friend, and similarly compassionately for but you use one that is appropriate. If you make food and for your dog, you will want to discuss the nutritional profile for your effort of the vegetarian. Some corgis prone to overweight, so you should be careful with your dog's eye with the eating habits. Treats motivate your breed that can also action to be obesity. Shedding. The American rates the shedding will actually be high because it'll shed a lot once a day. The disadvantage, the double coat of the dog that has a remarkably thick animal skin. There is a light undercoat for the marriage for the dog course. The shedding is going to be happen daily with the output of doubling for a spirit changeover. With the corgis bath loosen dead hair in their coat, make sure to clean your pup and dry them brushing process. Might consider using a striped undercoat out. It also helps to trim their nails because they can actually review of an ear pain. Like exercising requires a lot of exercising to thrive. Some people misconception that they can actually exercise not necessary for them, but it's actually that fact is not true. This breed is specifically a herding dog. He need a lot of energy to expend once a day. Some of them actually are a lapdog, sit and constant watch squirrels, and they are a proactive management of their activity levels. This breed is not a quiet dog. You will find this corgi vocalizing their feelings or greeting to other animals, but those puppies, the Pembrokeshire Watch corgi and the cardigan's cousin, are quite vocal. They don't receive although during the day they can actually become very loud. That can actually disturb your so it's not a very good idea to get them in an apartment. Corgis love to but they actually have a very bad break that can actually lead to problematic situation. If you gently expose your pup and place it starting around 7 weeks, then you will actually help your dog develop well-mannered adjust adults. In their energy levels maintenance, they can be very protective, but towards based training, typically agreeable for their herding instincts, but they can not be so aggressive. You can provide consistently firm training. The Cornish corgi is also positively experienced. If you waver a little of your dog going to exploiting the loophole wherever possibility, the corgis are not usually good with small animals. If you have other dogs at home, then it's not a really good idea to fit your corgi inside. Even cats will not be good for you. They chance that your animal will grow up. Some corgis actually have a problematic household where they are small pets. Their herding instincts will kick in there right away. If you have rodents, bunnies, or little other creatures as a part of your pet family, then your cardigan watch corgi should be very sure that nothing does occur in your house. Conclusion: whether you should prefer the Pembroke Watch Corgi or the Cardigan Watch Corgi, you will find these dogs as a very clever and funny, mischievous dog. You will need to advantage your dog. So that's all for today, folks. So make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification button. And see you all in the next one. Bye bye. Wait.